Hi guys, this is Joseph Upload. I am back again with a video tutorial of a new control of a C# application, Listbox. So this is a non-database tutorial. So in this tutorial we will not have any connection or any stuff like that in the previous video that I did. So this is the video for the beginners who are learning the C# newly. So I will explain you very clearly that what is the property of the Listbox and how it works. So first of all, make a new project. As I have made a project named Listbox, so you also make guys and take a text box, listbox and a button. Okay, so it is a non-database, so we don't have to write anything in the Windows form. So just we have to write the code on this button, because when we will enter any text box value, its operational value must be shown here. So what we will make a mathematical calculation table. So whenever I write any value, like if I enter 3 here, and when I press calculate, all three table must be here presented here. 3 into 1 3, 3 into 2 is equal to 6 and all that. Okay, so I will write a calculate, double click on the calculate button and I will write a code here. First of all, I will take a float data type and a variable named y. This is the float variable y, and I will first of all, before going to the coding section, I want to tell you that guys, that all .NET workers have provided a text box default value as a string. Means whenever we write any value in a text box, it is taken as a string data type. Means string value. So if you want to make any mathematical calculations or any integer value, you have to convert that text box into that particular data type. So what I will do, I will convert a text box value into float and I will provide it to y. So I will write y is equal to float dot parse txt write my text box specific name txt write dot text. So what I did here guys, first of all I converted the text box float dot parse, means I converted the text box which was in string, now I converted it into float. And now because I converted into float, because the y can accept the value of the text box, because it is the y is in float, and if the text box is in the string form, then the message will appear cannot convert implicitly from string to float. So that's why I converted the text box value to y, means float. So it is necessary that when you give the text box value to any another data type value, it is necessary to convert the text box into that particular data type. So after converting, now you can see that I have converted the text box to float, and I will give the value of the text box to y. So as you have learned guys in the C language, that how to provide a table, that when you enter any value or any number, it gives a multiplication table of that particular number. So you know that we have to take the for loop. So we will take a for loop for integer I is equal to 1, I less than is equal to 10, I plus plus. I am taking 10 here because I want the table from 10 only. You can also take from 10, 15, 11 or any number. If you want a bigger table from 1 to 50, so you can take 1 to 50. It means it will give the calculation of a particular number till 50. So now what we will do guys, that we want this whole calculation that in the C language, when we enter a number in the command box as means output as a 3. If we enter 3, then a list value appears. 3 into 1 is equal to 3, 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So what we wanted, that whole list value appears here in the list box. So what we will do, we will write listbox 1 dot item dot add. Now what you know that guys, that the multiplication table is written in that manner. 3 into 1 is equal to 3, 3 into 2 is equal to 6. You know that the first value 3 remains the same, the second value 1 gets incremented by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so what we will write here, we will write y, and then we will concatenate y plus star plus I. Okay, I am explaining you guys. As y, I have taken y here because the y will be the text box value. Means the value, if I enter here 3, the y will remain 3. okay, and the I will be incremented. The I will be first 1, then 2, then 3, but the Y will remain the same only. Then plus is equal to plus Y star I. Okay guys, so let's see. If I enter 4 here, 4 into 1 is equal to 4. So as you can see that I'm making this smaller so I can explain you very easily. As you can see that guys, in this list box, Y is the Y, this text box value only. The star is a concatenation, then 1 I. The IC, you can see that I get incremented until 10 because we have passed the for value from 1 to 10. So 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Then until the for loop gets to 10, it will be executed, and after 10 it will be stopped. And here is the Y into I, means 4 into 1 is equal to 4, 4 into 2 is equal to 8. The calculation. So it is easy guys, as you can understand it very easily. So this is the property of the list box. So how it displays the whole function. Okay, if I take the value from Y to and change the value from Y to 10 to 15, so what it will happen, if I enter 3, it will go to only 15, not 10. So you can see that so it depends on you how much you want. So, and another I want to explain how why I took the Y as a float value, because of this. If I enter a point value 1.5, see 1.5 is equal to 1.5, 3, so it can, the float value multiplication table can also be executed. So that's why I took the Y as a float, because if I take the Y as an integer, and if I try to write the float value in the text box, then it will not be possible to convert the float into int. As you can know that it is in all language, it is not supported to give a data of another data type and take the data of the another data type. So guys, thanks for watching.